Hey guys, it's Shannon. I have a really fun farmhouse craft for you today. We're going to be turning this tray from the Dollar Tree into one that has a beautiful farmhouse look and also is Rae Dunn inspired. So I already have a milk and cookies set, which I will link that video and tutorial down in the description box below if you'd like to watch that after this one. But today we're going to be making the matching reindeer food tray. So a fun, cute set for the holidays. So let's get started. Here's a look at some of the supplies I'll be using for this project. Of course, your main thing you want to have is your tray. You could also do a ceramic plate if you wanted, or a serving tray. They also have this in round and oval, so you could even do that if you wanted. Mine's just a rectangle silver tray. And then I'm going to be creating some faux handles. I thought it'd be kind of cute to dress it up a little bit. So this is a Jenga game, or a tower game as the Dollar Tree calls it. So just some wooden pieces there. I also have some wood glue, some clamps, my white and black chalk paint, which are Waverly brand, and some foam paint brushes. So the first thing I'm going to do is paint my tray completely white. I hope you all are enjoying my 12 Days of Christmas series. I will have a link to a playlist in the description box below where you can go check out all of the previous holiday projects that I created using Dollar Tree supplies. Here is a look at the tray with just one coat of paint. I'm going to let this dry before I do another coat of paint, and while it's drying I'm going to come over here and work on the faux handles. So like I said, these are just Jenga pieces from a Dollar Tree game set, and I'm going to put some wood glue in here and join them, line them up together and clamp them so that they can dry. And then I'm going to stain these. So I'm going to use the lighter pieces that are in the set and stain them with a dark wood stain, and then they'll be really cute to add to the tray and give it a really cool farmhouse look. So here's a close-up look of what will become the handles. I'm going to sand them down after they're dried a little bit. That way I can stain them with the wood stain. Alright, so now I am down in the workshop and going to work on the faux handles. So I'm going to sand them down just a little bit, and then I'm going to stain them in a dark wood stain. And I'm going to stain just the top, the sides, and the ends, so that way I can add some glue to the bottom and I'll have good adhesion between the handle and the tray. And now back upstairs, my tray is dry, so I want to distress it a little bit. I'm going to use my ink colored Waverly chalk paint, which is basically just black, and I'm going to sort of touch around here and there and just give it a more weathered and aged look. So here's a look at the finish. I tried not to do too much. This might be a little bit too much, but you can always go back with some white and sort of cover some of that up, but just touches here and there to give it a more aged look. And now I'm going to add my decal. You can find these in my Etsy shop, which is crossmyheart.com. So you can buy this if you don't have a vinyl cutter. If you do have a vinyl cutter, I used Oracle number 651 in matte black for the vinyl on this. And this is the font, The Skinny, which is that beautiful Rae Dunn inspired font. And this one is 5.5 inches wide by 2 inches tall. And then I just have my clear transfer sheet that I'll pull the vinyl off and apply it onto here. If you purchase this, it'll come just like this, ready to go. So all you have to do is peel it off and apply it. You could also put this on a canister or something else. You don't necessarily have to use the decal for the tray. But if you'd like to recreate this, I do have this available. Or I hope I gave you all the info that you needed to create your own. So I am going to add the decal to the tray, and then I'm going to glue on the faux handles. This project turned out so cute. It would be adorable to display in your kitchen or on a hutch during the holiday season, and then such a fun, beautiful piece to use on Christmas Eve paired with your milk and cookies. Please give this video a thumbs up for me. That definitely helps me and my channel out so much. You can also share this with your friends and family and inspire them too. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join us for this 12 Days of Christmas series. You can also hit the bell so that you get notified when my videos go live. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Happy holidays.